guys, it's Murray's first camp and I'm going into the Blue beach. He's been here before, done a video, but doing the other one where the blue tent was pitched. Show you footage of that probably now. Hi guys, so this is actually footage from the last time I was here. I captured some footage of the beach we camped in this video. However, the next few clips I'm going to show you are from the last time I was here when I camped, so yeah. That's where I'm aiming to pitch, and it's literally a 0.34 mile walk. My bag weighs like, I think my bag weighs like 4 kilograms. I'm really impressed. And yeah, catching it. This is the way. Oh, the sunset looks stunning. It happens in 20 minutes. I'm going to get there in time and see it before I put the tent up. Aye. Oh, we're 4 minutes into the walk now, approaching the beach. It's coming up. Right. Oh my god, rushing to see the sunset. This is all very short-lived. So guys, I saw this off of my drone footage, this pitch, from the last time I was here. So I'm hoping it's flat enough, and I'm hoping that it's nice. Well, it's already looking nice, so let's see. That's stunning. Oh my god, 15 minutes till sunset. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. That looks like the pitch. Maybe it was the roundabout path. Hang on. Oh, there's a path. We can go this way. Come on, Murray. Show us the way. He's doing it. Come on, Murray. Up. Good boy. Ah. Oh, come on, let's find the pitch that sees sunset. Woo! Midges. Thought midges weren't supposed to like the sea. They're everywhere in Scotland. Oh, that's amazing. Egg and rum. Fancy getting in that after this hike. Sky is shrouded with clouds. Hello! I've been out caravanning. There's another beach over there with another lovely pitch. Beautiful. Amazing. Is that going to sit there? Got creamy cheese pasta. Tell you what, the midge are out and it's not full force though, so that's okay. You can sit outside but I can feel them. Starting to bubble a bit. We're trying. We're trying to cook macaroni cheese here and I'm failing absolutely miserably right now, I have to say. Don't know how this is going to turn out. That took about 15 minutes to start boiling. I did my best, the best I can do. What a night, guys. Moonlit night. Stunning. This cow is seriously scaring the living daylights out of me every time I look at it. Murray, stop it! Honestly. Got views out of the tent. And more views out of the tent. Oh, can see the northern lights over there. Time for a swim. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos. I went to Harris and Lewis and had some incredible drone footage of all the beaches. It was insane. So also did the longest hike I've done so far in the last 2 years. Injuries showed great progress on this trip, so looking forward to share it. Ciao.